emerging economies के markets भी compare करें, तो India has not done as badly as many other markets out there. So on a relative basis, I would say India is okay, but overall the world will see some kind of a slowdown with inflation. अगर आप historically data देखें तो inflation is never a short-lived phenomenon. जब भी inflation आता है, it's not like 6 महीने को inflation रहेगा और फिर चला जाएगा. Generally, you see it on a multi-year cycle. So it would not be maybe wrong to presume that inflation is a problem which is here to stay for a short while at least. And the only counter we really have for inflation is sucking out liquidity from the market by virtue of increasing interest rates, which we are doing. And I think that cycle will continue for significantly longer.
Okay, कुछ लोग मानते हैं कि इंडिया बहुत रेजिलिएंट है और कुछ लोग मानते हैं कि अभी कैपिटुलेशन हुआ नहीं. आपको क्या लगता है, यही मतलब ये प्रॉब्लम है या ये हमारी स्ट्रेंथ है कि हम करेक्ट नहीं हो रहे?
I think strength hai. There are many things which are working in our favor. The problems with China are definitely helping India. We have a strong incumbent government which has been at the helm for almost 10 years now, and I think that consistency is appreciated by foreign investors. अगर आप आज भी travel करके international investors को meet करेंगे तो they are skeptical about their markets more than they are skeptical about India. Everybody has an iota of optimism when they speak about India, and I think that will not go away anytime soon. पहली बार बहुत decades में people are kind of coming to terms with how big the opportunity is in India. But it depends kitna time lagega for this to play out. You know, the per capita GDP has to go up significantly from where it is now, in turn lead to consumption, in turn lead to many industries around consumption thriving. But people are taking the long-term call कि वो कभी तो होगा.
वो कभी तो होगा. निखिल, थोड़ा ये भी हमें एक्सप्लेन करें कि जो इन्वेस्टर और ट्रेडर दो बड़ी डिस्टिंक्ट कम्युनिटीज़ हैं और आपका एक्सपीरियंस दोनों के साथ होता है, उसमें अगर हम ये समझ सकें कि ट्रांजैक्शन की क्या पोजीशन है, किस में कम ज़्यादा हो रहा है, या आपने पिछले कुछ समय में उसमें बिहेवियरल चेंज देखा हो कि पर अकाउंट ट्रांजैक्शन कम हो रहे हैं ट्रेडिंग में, इन्वेस्टिंग में ज़्यादा हो रहा है, या इन्वेस्टिंग में कम हो रहे हैं ट्रेडिंग में ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं, ऐसा अगर हम लोगों को आप समझा सकें.
तो ये नीरज इज क्वाइट सिक्लिकल. जब भी when you see a bull run in the market, investing population will organically increase क्योंकि जो भी invest कर रहे हैं, they're profitable, they tell people about it, and more investors come in. In range bound and bear markets, it's tough to make money as an investor, and you would probably see more trading. मैं ये बताना चाहूँगा कि we talk a lot about stock markets in India. It is extremely important and essential for a growing economy, for us to become developed to the extent that some Western countries might be, that we have a really big and thriving stock market. At the end of the day, stock market is a place where companies can come raise capital and grow, and for any economy which is growing to have that is very important. India में बात ये है कि only about 2% of our population has either direct or indirect access to stock markets. That number is very, very low. And कुछ तो होना चाहिए change हमारे market में for us to be able to compete with the West, कि ये number 2% से 5%, 6%, 10% कभी तो बढ़े. So it's very important for us to, educate people on how to